Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an art stone with a really cheap silicone mold for $1. Before I start with my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So, here is the box that I found at Target last week. This is actually a reusable silicone food saver that I found in the kitchen aisle. I instantly got an idea that I can make rocks with it. Price of this box is $4, so $1 each. So here I am mixing a big batch of gypsum cement and water. I took 15-ounce gypsum cement and 5.7-ounce water, total of 20.7 ounce. Let's pour into the silicone molds. Now I'm tapping gently on the sides to eliminate the bubbles. I will let it dry for 4 to 5 hours. It looks dry. I see bubbles, but I'm not worried because it's on the back side. It's very smooth. I like it. You can paint just like that, or if you want to smoothen the edges, you just need a sandpaper. I smoothed my rock in 5 to 10 minutes. I think I am satisfied with the edges, so I can start painting my rock. Guys, don't forget to watch my next video where I will show you how I paint this little stone. Thanks for watching.